Hello friends, welcome again. So in our last tutorial we learned about how to install Drupal. So now we will learn about relationship in views. So starting that, you need to go to your install Drupal site. So here is my installed on the local machine, that is tutorial instrument.local. So before starting, you need to understand that we need some models to install views. So you need to go to the models. So these are the models you need for having a content type. It is a CCK model. Then for the file upload and for the field group you need this models also, so you need to just check this one. And for image you need to have a model image cache. And the last one for the views, this is external model for Drupal 6.33, so you need to install this model also. And after checking this checkbox, you need to just click on the save configuration to install these models. Okay. Sorry. Then we need to move to the content type. So in my site right now there are the three content types. There is author, there is page, and the story. The author is a custom one, the page and story are the default one. So the author is content type which I created by adding the content type here. So I will just show you what exactly the author page is, author content type is, sorry. So here by default there is a title, menu settings, body, revision information, authoring information, publishing information, and this is the author image which I added. So how I added, I just added in the new field, I provided the information author image, I provided the machine readable field name, and I select the file. I want to upload a file, that is an image for the author, and there is a widget after that. After this file I just take it as image. So just configuring it. If I click it, just to show you what is the configuration, so you can see that there is the author image and the widget tab is image. Okay, so insert author image, so you can as a permitted upload extension as JPG, GF, PNG, and you can provide the dimension of the image that you want to limit, and after that you can just save the field settings. So if you go to create content, and if you want to create an author, you need to just provide the title, what is the description you want, and you need to choose the file and upload it. So I already did it, so I need to go to the content and I will show you what I did. So these are the author information, the two author information, that is author CDE and author ABC I created in the same fashion which I showed you. That is, I provided a title, a body. Just I will edit it for you. This is the author, the title name I provide. This is the description I did, and this is the author image I uploaded, and I just saved it. On the other hand, I also created a story created by an author. So Before moving to this, I need to make you understand how I did the mapping of author information in the story content type. So if we go to content type of story, so if you see, clicking on the manage fields, so you will see a new field is added with a node reference. So let's check it out what I did. On clicking the configure, I go for field name, and there is a label. I check for the file type as node reference, and widget is a checkbox or radio button, and clicked on continue. And then this provider, this is an author name. I mark it is a required field, and here I did the mapping that what is the reference. So I clicked it that this content should be referred from author content type, and after that I just set the field setting. Okay, I will move to the content. So here is the story which I created. Just I will show you what I did. So this story XYZ I created. These are the two authors. If you see on the content, so these are the two authors. If you see, so which we created author CDE and author ABC. So you can see it here. So this is a dummy story which I created. It's only for demo. And just I clicked on save. So what is the objective here? We need to show the story content through a view, in which we need to show the author image also. But if you see here, we have author name here, but we don't have an author image. So in these scenarios, how we will do it? So let's check it out. We need to go to view. So how we'll go there? Just go to the administration, and in the site building, you need to click views. Note, view is not a core model in Drupal 6. You need to install it, and it is under this. I need to check the models and just set the configuration. Then this link will be appear. Okay, moving to the views. So you need to create one view. Just click on add. So here we'll say story author image. Story. So we'll say story. Okay. This view type is node, and we will click next. Okay. So what we will do, we will select fields which we want to show on the view. But before that, what we exactly want, if you see on the view on the left side, there are a list of things we can create. We can create an attachment, we can create as a feed, we can create as a page. So here we want a page should display a story content type. So just add display. Okay, so here we'll add fields, which data we want to show. So we'll select a node. We want a story body. We know we want the story title. After clicking on the save, it will ask the label we want. Just update and override. And the title, just update and override. We also want some content, such as the author name and author image. Click it OK. Right now there is no reference at all, so we want an image, but we will have to see how to show it. Just update it. And we want a name with no title as a link. Okay, so from where actually there's a filter column there, and this actually shows from where we want to show the data. If we click it on the plus sign and we select a node and we'll select a type, it will ask us at which data we want. So we select is one of a story. Let's click and update and override. Okay, so here we want a reference also, because since we know that the name and the author image, there is no reference at all. So from where we can get a data from a node type. Just a second. Story. So how can we get a data from a story for the author image when it's not available in the story? So we'll create one relationship, and here we'll say a content. As we know, there is a reference of author name in a story, so we'll just create an author name here. Click on author name. Check. And we go on author image again, and now there is a relationship status, so we need to check author name. Update. Now we'll go on the page setting and click on path. It is showing none. Also story author, and click on update. Okay, so if you go on live preview, so you can see that body is coming from the story. There is a title, story XYZ, and this is the author image, and this is the name of the author. So explaining these terms, what exactly we did. It's the concept of a select query. So Here we did select fields from story. From is like field is like select variables, and the filter is the from. Filters. And where are the arguments? Where the type is story. And if you see the relationship, these are like joins. So here what we did, we selected field, that is not body, no title, author name, author image. From filter, that is story, we joined an author content type, and we gave a reference that on author name it should do the mapping. Author name, and this author name resides on both content type, that is on story also, and also in the author. So if we go on the live preview, so we can see that this is showing this one. If we go on the link where we can view the story, it is not showing right now because we don't have enough permission here. So let's check it out. So how to set the permission. Okay, after saving it, save all permissions to view. So this is the body, and this is the title, this is the author image, and you can do all your CSS customizations to just view in a proper format. That's all for the view relationship. Thanks for watching.